TJ crew? It's your boy Chris.
You
What?
You yelling, ain't it?
I can't yell? It's Vlogmas, right? And it's Vlogmas!
Merry little Christmas.
We back today with y'all with another video. And I know y'all read the title. Another video. Better get ready because we need to make a quick store run. Got a couple more errands. We may not vlog while we out running those errands, because the most important part of this video today is that we are making a homemade pizza today. Hey, we making pizza today. We make a pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A-P-I-Z-Z-A-P-P.
My lashes. Nah, but for y'all, we're making homemade pizza. I've never made homemade pizza before, ever. And y'all want to know a funny story?
What's the story?
I think we told him this a little bit. But Chris worked at a pizza shop.
I did.
When we were in school.
Hungry Howie's.
And he was supposed to bring me some pizza, some free pizza. Y'all, this is when he was trying to get with me. I think we told y'all this before. But if you knew, you gonna hear it now. And if you old, you gonna hear it again. But he was supposed to bring me some pizza, y'all. He was trying to get with me, and I was just like, bring me a pizza, and he never did, y'all. Never did.
She wouldn't give me her number, so why would I bring her some pizza?
Because
y'all hit me in the comments. So if y'all I feel like if I brought her that pizza, we probably wouldn't be right here recording this video, huh?
Why?
Because I would have felt like you just wanted me because of my pizza.
I mean,
so no, you didn't get a pizza.
I was a broke, hungry college student.
And I was a man searching for love.
So we could have just came together. You would have got your love. I would have got my pizza.
It didn't work like that.
Clearly.
I wasn't born out like that. You wasn't gonna treat me just like I'm just some other dude bringing food. No.
Some other dude? Ain't no other dudes bring me food.
I don't know that.
Y'all, he trying to play me.
I don't know that, but anyway, we here now. You didn't get your pizza then, but you gonna get some pizza now.
But it's okay because I got a ring. Oh.
Okay.
I got more than pizza.
And you getting pizza now, so finish getting dressed so we can go to the store and we'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend that Chris and Jay is doing 12 days of Christmas Jay. 12 days of Chris and Jay doing Christmas. It's Vlogmas. Holla at y'all. Such a nigga don't touch me. Big body beans.
Which way we going? Oh, I gotta go to my car.
So we back in the kitchen. We went and got everything we need for your pizza. For our pizza, not for y'all pizza, but for our pizza. Our pizza.
It's for me.
No, we're not gonna make this the pizza you never got. This is our pizza. Now, so let me lay out our ingredients we got for our pizza. So we got the mozzarella cheese, ham, bacon, pepperoni. You need your pizza dough. Our banana peppers, Italian seasoning, olive oil, and we got our pizza sauce. Minced garlic. It's gonna be our pizza dough rolling board. Pizza pan, of course, for our rolling pin, and our pizza cutter right here. Sous Chef, what you got going on over here?
I have some bell peppers and some onions, and I'm just dicing them up really fine.
Okay.
So it can go on the pizza.
Yeah, that's fine, man. I need it. That's
what?
No. That's fine.
I know it's fine, so it's no but and it's no I need.
Just don't make it fine like you. I just need it. I just need a regular fine. See, you try. What? All right.
I thought you trying to tell me what to do. I know what to do.
Let me go get these banana peppers for you. Make sure you wash your vegetables and your fruit, y'all. Don't do too much, but just wash them. So, number one, you want to stretch your dough out real good. See, you know, you get them pizza people, I ain't gonna show off too much, but you know, you get it, you stretch it out. Let that dough stretch out. That's what I'm doing now, I'm stretching it out. I'll put it there, get my nice little roller here. I'm just gonna roll it out.
Not you going back to your pizza shop days.
Yeah, you roll it out. See? All right, baby, what you finna do?
I'm about to sauce it up.
About to sauce it up. You gotta talk like Italian. You about to add some sauce.
I'm about to add some sauce.
Sauce.
For the recipe.
Okay.
So what I do? Just pour it in the spoon and go like that?
Pour you some on the spoon.
Okay.
And then slap it on there. Slap it in the middle.
Slap it on there.
Yeah, slap some more. Yeah, you're gonna need more. Slap some more on there.
I just pour it on there.
Okay.
Too much? Too
No,
much dip?
You got a little too much dip, but you good, you good. We like our pizza saucy.
Saucy.
Spread that thing out even.
Hey. Italian seasoning, a little olive oil, and some garlic.
Okay.
And we're gonna
what you gonna do with it? You got a little brush there?
Yeah, we got a little brush. I'm gonna butter the sides like that. Like that. Ooh.
Now you gotta do my dance. Hey. Now you gotta left, right, hey. Okay. I want you to get stupid with the cheese. Get crazy with the cheese. Oh. Get crazy with the cheese. Forget to preheat your oven while you're doing this. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our oven to 400.
400.
Don't be like everybody that feel like you can cook everything on 350. 400. All right, babe, finna add the sausage on.
We're gonna only do pineapple on half.
Just on half of it. If y'all like pineapple on y'all pizza, let us know. I strongly feel that a pizza is not a pizza without pineapple, but hey.
Onion, bell peppers,
And banana peppers.
Cheese, y'all. Pizza is not complete without a whole lot of cheese.
Cheese, a little more cheese.
And a little more cheese. Oh, I missed a spot, right?
Okay.
Yes.
There's gonna be cheese on top of cheese.
Alright, we're gonna put that thing in the oven, y'all. Woo! Ooh.
20 minutes. I'm gonna set my timer. 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Countdown starts now.
So while that's sitting there, we're gonna clean up the kitchen. So by the time we're done, the pizza gonna be almost done. And make sure to check the pizza period. Hey, what you doing?
Cleaning up.
Sous chef.
Because you gotta clean as you go.
Sous chef, you did a great job.
Thank you.
All right. So let's walk over here to the pizza. All right. So we got about, what, 12 minutes left? 11 minutes. Okay, 11 minutes left. Let's get a sneak peek on how the pizza doing. Ooh, hold up. Camera just fogged up a little bit. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That looks good.
Oh yeah.
You see that little seasoning on the side?
Oh yeah.
Yay! Pizza time! Pizza time!
Let's see.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Be careful now, it's hot. Pepperoni a little burnt, but
20 minutes, hey. A little burnt, make a little better.
oh, look at that, we did it.
Wait, we gotta put the finishing touches on it. So
Put some more butter.
So what you do? Come back around that joker.
Ooh.
Watch that thing shine up.
Ooh. Yeah, that looks so good.
Pizza Hut, who?
Papa John's who?
Domino's, who?
Little Caesar who?
Caesar do be slapping sometimes.
Nah, I don't care for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, that look good.
So the pizza is done. As y'all can
It's done.
see.
It looks so good, y'all.
We got to bust a piece of this open. Ladies first, ladies first, ladies first.
What piece do I want? What piece do I want? Okay, y'all. Let me get this piece right here.
Okay, it's cheesy too.
Ooh, it's hot.
Oh yeah, it's hot and cheesy.
Hot and ready. Ooh, y'all, it's so hot.
Yeah, let me hold it for you. Okay, you got it? I'm gonna choose this piece right here because it's easy to pick up. You got that piece here. See, that's what I do. I'm gonna give you that piece. Oh, don't drop it now.
Y'all, look at it. It's so good. We gotta try it together.
Ooh. Now, why that piece? Yeah. All right. Ooh, that piece is hot.
Give me that piece. Or we can just bite the same piece.
Okay.
Ready? We can't bite it together.
Okay. It's good. Hey man, don't hold the pizza. Give me a piece.
Y'all. It's good, ain't it?
Fire.
And the crust is crusting. Y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
This one is busting.
We about to kick up. Enjoy the rest of this pizza. We got some, oh, where is it?
What we got?
The holiday drink. Canada Dry Cranberry Ginger Ale.
That's right.
Bussin'.
Busting. Put y'all on.
Alright, y'all, so we'll see you guys in our next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend,
Tell a friend. There's the Vlogmas. We got pizza. We got cranberry.
Pizza, we got everything.
We got cranberry ginger ale. Away in a manger, no room for a bed. Drop a piece.
Nah, drop a little pepperoni or something.
The dear Lord, baby Jesus, sleep.
Alright, bye.